Hey guys, welcome back, and today I've got 3 positions currently in drawdown, and obviously as you can see we're about minus 450. So I will be going through the reasons for the trade, but I thought I'll just try to, the position was too good to just risk 1%, so I thought I will go for the risk a little bit extra. We are obviously, as you can see, a resistant level, but the opportunity was too good, so we're just gonna see how this trade runs out. As you can see, price is looking, just one moment, we are at a current resistant level, but I do think because there was a breakout, I do think price will carry on pushing upwards. But I'm only looking for but this is the whole video is about psychology. If I just move this, just one moment. Now obviously if you can see the previous rejections, and in the current one that we're in, the trade that we're in right now, the price has filled that area, volume has come in, and now I just think that price will continue to go in that direction. Just gonna keep this video nice, short and simple, nothing too long. Now this whole video, now obviously we're in a bit of drawdown, right? Mentally, psychologically, you gotta be that if this is, by the way guys, we are on a phase 1 with the funded trader. Now it's all about keeping your emotions in check, and what I'll do guys, I'll give this a few minutes and let's just see. I'll come back once because I do believe high probability it will come back into profit, and I'm just looking for about 3% just to get that quick. I'm also going to be reducing my stop loss as well from 10 pips to 7 pips, and then see how that goes. But I'm pretty confident this will play in our favor. But obviously anything can happen, you just never know at the end of the day. It is what it is. I'm just gonna pause this guys, then I'll be back just to see where the trade goes up to. Okay guys, I'm back, and obviously you can see we're still currently in more drawdown. Now my stop loss, I have got it in a certain position where I do believe there is a strong chance, not 100% again, it can still hit my stop loss, just again keeping emotions in check. But the whole trick behind this guys is having enough accounts where if I blow this one account, I can easily get like 10 more of these or 20 more of these. Okay, spiking up now. Okay, perfect. Alright, okay, now this shows the way just flickered up guys. I think buyers are sitting here patiently, they was waiting here like a sniper. Now volume has come in and just pushed liquidity, like market right to the top. Okay, now let's see. As you can see, it was like minus 15 or something, minus 14 points down. Now we're currently at minus 2, minus 1 point, and minus 0.5 points. So it could be heading back into, but that's the first signal. That's the signal I need to hold the position now. The buyers are sat there. They're okay. Now we're running in profit. A little bit of profit now. Now I'm expecting this. I might not look to hit all my profit targets because we are risking 3%. So even small moves will give nice gains. So let's just see what happens. I am pretty confident. Like I mentioned, let's see what keeps happening. Now again guys, all about patience. Now obviously we are running in a plus. Okay, back into negative, but it's normal this. Now the whole idea behind this video was guys just to where I speak on psychology and keep your emotions in check, like to explain what am I feeling right now. Absolutely Yep, nothing really, feeling numb just because of the experiences I've gained from placing the previous trades. So we are running in profit right now currently, and we are plus 6 points, well plus 5 now, well yeah, back to 6 now. We are so let's just see what happens. I might close this early, but as soon as I do, you will see I'll just end all the trades, and I'll be back late just in a short while. Let's just give it this more time to grow and develop. Okay, perfect now. Right, okay, we are running plus 31 points, almost, well, 32 points in profit, and this finger just going. We are currently around the 800 mark, 800 in profit. So as you can see, that nice spike to the upside. I will probably most likely end this early, guys. I'm not going to hold this position all the way. I am pretty confident this will keep going, but now obviously I'll put my trades at break even. I've got nothing to lose now. We are risk free, all free trades. So if the market was to turn around, come back at me, you know, but this thing is just going now. Apologies, it's a 25k account. I thought for a second it was, no, it's a 25k account. I didn't look at the number, yeah, but I was just looking at the TPs. Yeah, but this is nicely going in my favor. Now obviously risk management plus analysis plus emotions, controlling them, that's how you stay longer in this game. Plus almost 50 points now, running in profit. Now guys, if you take anything from this video, just take this, that you know, you gotta let your trades develop. Like if I would have just ended all my trades while I was in a bit of drawdown, well, a lot of drawdown, then we wouldn't have never got to this stage, right? So that's what it's all about, patience. And now just because of that example, even at 50 points, and mentally I shouldn't be like, oh no, I want to go back to 50. You should also have the courage to end your trades even if I'm at plus 30 points. If you think things are going against you, I'm on about TP level, by the way, guys, not about drawdown. Drawdown, sometimes if you think that it's not going to work, then yeah, end the trades early. But this was one of my A plus setups, so that was the reason for the 3% entry, and it's played nicely in my favor. But I do think this will keep going, but I will end the trade just because I'm already in a little bit of drawdown, you know, for phase 1. So I just want to end the trades earlier, and let's just keep going. But I'm thinking of getting a bit of a wick rejection at the top. Doesn't mean price will obviously turn around, could do, but I might just pull this out, the trades earlier. Right guys, I'm back. I'm gonna end the trade. We just a nice 47 points, 48 points. I'm gonna end the trade early. So thanks everyone for watching. I'm about to 3, 2, 1. And we just took 55 points in profit. Like and subscribe, guys, if you haven't already.